We were here with Helen, the first time sailing yacht club. We've got him over here, Edward, Moynihan, and other Tim. Say hi to the boat. I'm his sister. In the lounge. Offer you snacks and drinks for all the snacks. And leave it real, real small. But it's very, very nice. Nice to see you. So we're going onto the ship. Yep. Yet again. Being led by the butler. It's a big old long line. Let's see. This is great. Yacht club all day, every day. Blue diamond all day, every day. What day is it?
Cruise day.
Cruise day. Shout out Lita Loca. MSC Seashore, once again, welcome back. Thompson's is back in the house. Actually, Rock the Boat is back in the house. What's going to be the drink of the day?
I do not know. I have to look at the menu to see what the drink of the day is going to be.
I think I'm going to get an espresso martini.
Probably espresso martini.
My brother-in-law, first time doing yacht club on MSC. Are you excited?
I don't know, Disney. They giving y'all a run for your money. I'm just saying. This is only just going in, so we're going to see. We're going to see.
We got 4 glorious days.
So,
So, Tim, you got a mocktail, strawberry daiquiri, and pina colada. How's it taste?
It's delicious.
Good. And Edward has a second.
Aprio spritz. They look pretty, so I try it.
And this one's espresso martini.
Yes.
Extra
I should have gotten that.
Since this one's better.
That's when I should. I don't even taste it.
Tim, how do you think the embarkation is compared to Disney? Because we don't have any information about
I'm
it.
a real Disney fan, and what's really happening here? I feel like I'm king around here. Everybody telling me where to go, open the door for you, this and that. So,
The embarkation.
don't tell my job.
What's your job? Winning. How
Yeah, I know.
the
Oh my
embarkation
goodness.
compared to
oh
Disney?
my goodness. It is so
From a
much
Disney-
better.
from a-
So,
Just saying.
just saying. So, is it worth the money to upgrade? Just coming in. You don't have to hassle where you have to wait in a long line just to talk to somebody else. Is it worth it just for that part? Yes. So far, because I'm doing my mental Disney checklist,
Wait.
the drink pack. Disney does not offer a drink pack. No matter what ship you are, no matter what level you are, Disney will make you pay for your drinks.
Meanwhile, you eating two drinks. Did you get the 2 drinks at a time? Where you were like, can I get this and this?
So now we're on a margarita, and we ain't even left the port yet. So I heard,
You don't-
challenge accepted.
There is no 15
MSC Yacht.
because you saw the regular.
So MSC Yacht compared to Disney, hands down, this is better. And you know I'm a diehard Disney.
How many Disney cruises have you been on?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Coffee shop.
And you hear it here.
A diehard Disney person. I've been on. Well, me and my husband and my family have been on 5 Disney cruises. 5. We've been on the Treasure. No, we didn't do the Treasure. Did we do the Treasure?
Only went a few.
Yeah, we did the Treasure. We did the Wish. No, we did the Wish. We did the Destiny. We did the Dream. We did the Magic. We did the Fantasy.
But the embarkation on them did not come.
Totally different.
So we have done MSC, Princess, the whole Celebrity,
And Ocean.
and Oceana, which is a top cruise line, and the embarkation But MSC, you cannot beat that for yacht club. None whatsoever. We haven't come across a cruise line yet, and we have actually cruised in suites, on Celebrity and on Princess, and we did not have butler service that escorts you onto your ship like this. We did have butler service once you got on the ship, but the embarkation day, no, nothing.
One
Oh,
time,
and that's something they have no control. But the overall,
what do you think of this little
This
yacht club
area.
lounge
I
area?
like it. So I do have to say, my only thing is that I don't like is that there's kids in a yacht club because when we do our Disney adult only section, we don't like children. That's because we like that kind of serenity. If I had to say something, it would just be like the kids are allowed in a yacht club with the adults. I mean, but it is
True
what it
enough,
is.
but counterpoint, you could bring your grandkids into yacht.
That part right there.
We
Once
did.
again, it's not something that is like, oh my gosh, I wouldn't get it. So,
Mm.
We bought our grandkids and they thoroughly loved it. They treated them like little prince and princess
Yeah.
in here. And the butlers were just amazing with all of the kids, and hands down, just the attention that you get